Hello everyone, welcome to our Nagesh Karizgi Orchid School. I am your computer teacher. What we have studied in in third standard? We studied our parts of computer. What is meant by part of computer? Software, hardware, operating system. Now we will see our lesson number 1. That is lesson name is type of personal computer. We will see this. First is a introduction. Computer having 4 main part. Which are they? Keyboard, mouse, monitor and CPU. And computer also having parts printer, scanner, microphone, and we will saw detail of this what is the use of that parts. Now we will see types of personal computer. First, nowadays there are different types of computer in different shape and size are available. Computer having different types, but these different types are different on their shape and size. Computer used for general purpose at home by end user are called as a personal computer. The computer is used at home for the personal, for the general purpose. That type of computer is called as a personal computers. Software application for the personal computers generally include word processing, spreadsheet, database, web browser, email clients, games, etc. What is in the personal computer means which type of software available in the personal computer? Word processing, spreadsheet, database, web browser, email client and games. These types of software are available in the general computer, in the personal computer. The new personal computers available today often have connection to their internet, allowing access to the World Wide Web and a wide range of other resources. If you connect internet connection to our personal computer, then you can see anything by allowing access to the World Wide Web and a wide range of other resources also. A personal computer is used at home or in an office. Where personal computers are used? At home or in the office. Personal computers may be connected to a local area network. Means what? LAN. Local area network is also called, means short form of local area network is LAN. And personal computer may be connected, means it may be or may not be connected to a LAN. If they are connected with each other by using LAN, either by a cable or a wireless network. Means personal computer are connected by using cable or it may be a wireless. There are different type of personal computer. Which are they? Desktop computer, laptop computer, laptop. Next is a tablet PC, a laptop or a handheld PC. Personal computers are 4 types, which are the desktop computer, laptop or notebook, then tablet PC, a laptop or a handheld PC. Let us understand a few of them in detail. Firstly, we will see desktop computer. Firstly, we will see how it is look like. Desktop computer. It is a desktop computer. What is it? You know, you are familiar about that parts. What is it? Good. It is a monitor. What is it? It is CPU. This one is a keyboard. If you want to write anything, then we are using the keyboard. Keyboard having different keys. Means alphabet keys, letter keys, function keys, special keys. These type of keys keyboard having. And it is, what is it? Good. It is mouse. If you want to point out anything, then we are using the mouse. Then we will see the detail of the desktop computer. These parts together are called as a desktop computer. We will see here. A desktop computer is a personal computer. Desktop computer is personal computer that is designed to be used on the desk or a table. Now only you saw. You saw na? Where it was, where it is, this computer is, it is on the table. Means desktop computer is designed to used on the desk or the table. Desktop computer is used on the desk or table. Desktop computer are large in size as compared to laptop or laptop. Desktop computer are large in size as compared to laptop or laptops. Desktop are large in size. Desktop computer. These computers are used for regular use at a single location. Means now only you see, we can move these parts. It is easy to move? No, it is not easy to move these all parts. If we move, then there is a chance it will be damaged. Then we can't move. Means they are not portable. Portable means what? We can't move. They are not portable as a laptop or laptop. Desktop computer are not portable as a laptop or laptop. What is mean by laptop? What is mean by laptop? We will see afterwards in this chapter only. Firstly, we will see desktop computer. A computer are usually used at home and offices. This type of computer where we are using, where you can see that type of setup in the mall, yes, in DMart, right? And like that in home, in offices, in our school also, we are using which type of computer? Which type of computer in our computer lab? Yes, good. Desktop computer. Desktop computer are used at a desk or table. Desktop computer are large in size. It is regularly used at a single location. These computers are not portable and it is used at homes and offices. Next is a laptop. How laptop look like? It is laptop. This type of computer is called as a laptop. There is a mouse is inside that computer. CPU is inside that. It is monitor and this is keyboard. Means desktop computer having different parts. Monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. But in laptop, these parts is in laptop itself. There is no another part. A laptop having this screen is called as a monitor. It look like a monitor, right? It is keyboard. It is, what is it? Good. It is mouse and inside there is a CPU. Now we will see detail about the laptop. Laptop are also known as notebook, right? Laptop is also known as a notebook because size of this laptop is like our notebook. They are generally small in size and look like a small briefcase. Laptop is, now only you saw, laptop is generally small in size as compared to desktop computer and look like a small briefcase, right? They run on a single battery or from external power supply. They run on single battery. Laptop run on single battery or from external power supply. When we are working on the desktop, then if electricity is not there, then it is working. No, we can't store electricity in desktop computer, but we can store backup in a laptop. Means if electricity is not there, then also laptop is working. but this same thing is happen in a desktop computer? No, we can't store backup in a desktop computer. Laptop contain all the component of a computer. Which component laptop contain? Mouse, keyboard, speaker, etc. integrated without one unit. It contain all the, means it having mouse, keyboard, speaker inside the laptop only. Laptop are mostly used by a mobile user, that is who travel extensively. Laptop are mostly used by a mobile user, means if you having more work in a mobile, and that time laptop is a good option for us, that is who travel extensively. Laptop are more expensive than the desktop. Laptop are more expensive than the desktop computer. External device can be attached to the laptop, means for the desktop computer we can connect the speaker, then printer, like that we can connect external devices to the laptop also. Okay, understand about the laptop? Now we will see our plum top. It is a plum top. What is mean by plum? What is mean by plum? This is our hand, right? That this part is called as a plum, means this type of computer, plum top, this type of computer is fit only in plum, like that computer is called as a plum top. Understand why it is called as a plum top? It is fit only in a one plum, like that's why it is called as a plum top. Plum top are also known as a personal digital assistant, PDA. Plum top are also known as a personal digital assistant. These computers are called plum top as they fit into our plum. They fit into our plum, that's why this type of computer are called as a plum top. Plum top use stylus for input of the data. Nowadays PDA means what? Personal digital assistants, means what? Plum top have color screen and are used as a mobile phone, means nowadays PDA are having a color screen. Before we are using mobile also, these also black and white, these also means mobile was a like only keyboard having mobile, but nowadays we are having Android 4 or screen touch mobile, means mobile having invention. Mobile was invented, like that plum top also invented. Firstly it was only black and white, now we having a color screen of the plum top. Web browser or as portable media player, it having web browser also or as portable media players. Many PDAs have touch screen technology in them, means this plum top having many PDA, not all, means like that we are having keypad mobile and touch screen mobile, like that plum top also having touch screen or keypad. Many PDA having touch screen technology in them. Now handheld PC. Handheld PC are extremely small in size as compared to laptop, but bigger than plum top. Which is the smallest computer? It is plum top is the smallest, and which is the largest desktop, but handheld PCs are extremely small in size as compared to laptop. It is smaller than laptop but bigger than plum top. They are portable and also called as NETOPS or ultra portable computer, means they are also called as NETOPS or ultra portable computer. they having smaller keyboard and screen compared to laptop. Now only we saw laptop. Laptop means handheld is smaller than laptop. It have small keyboard and screen as compared to laptop. They have all the feature of notebook and also run similar application. Means they having all the feature of notebook. Notebook means what? Not our real notebook, not our writing notebook. Notebook means what? They having all feature of notebook and also run similar application. Means here notebook means what? Yes, good. Notebook means what? Laptop. Laptop is also called as a laptop is also known as a notebooks. Means handheld PC is having same feature like a notebook and also run similar application. Like means how laptop is running, same like that handheld PC is also running. Now our last is tablet PCs. We will see tablet PCs. It is look like a laptop, but size is same as a laptop? No. It is monitor of screen, keyboard and mouse, and inside the CPU having same parts, but how it work now only you see. If I want this, if I want to open this, see here. How can I operate it? By using pen. Okay, if I want to minimize, then I will minimize. Now we will see in detail. Now we will see in detail about the tablet PCs. Tablet PCs. Tablet PC is equipped with a touch screen as a primary input device. Tablet PC is equipped with a touch screen as a primary input device. Unlike laptop, tablet, personal computers are not equipped with keyboard, but a special pen is provided to use to input data and interact directly with the screen. Means if I want to operate laptop, then I must have to use the what? Keyboard, mouse. But if I using the tablet, then now only you saw by using pen. It having a special pen, not our writing pen. It having a special pen, and by using that pen we can operate the tablet PC. All tablet personal computer have a wireless adapter for internet and local network connection. If you want to connect to internet, then wireless adapter is there. Wireless adapter. By using wireless adapter, we can access the internet and the local area network. These PCs are commonly used by the professional like doctor and sales officer at their workplace. If you where we are using this type of PCs, like doctor and sales officer at their workplaces. Understand what we have learned in that chapter? This personal computer. Which type of computer is called as a personal computer? If we are using computer at a home, that type of computer is called as a home, or a end user, that type of computer is called as a personal computer. And personal computer are divided into 4 parts, which are the desktop computer, laptop, tablet and PC. Tablet PC and a laptop or handheld PC. Desktop computers look like that. Next, laptop. Laptop is look like this picture. Next, laptop. Laptop. Why it is called as a laptop? Laptop is also known as a personal digital assistant. And why it is called as a plam top? Because it fit in a single plam, that's why it is called as a plam top. Handheld PCs. Handheld PCs are smaller than a laptop but bigger than our plam top, right? And next is a tablet PC. Tablet PC, there is no need of a keyboard. By it having a special pen, by using that pen means this pen is working. If we want to give input, by using pen we can give the input. And where we are using this mostly, we are using doctors. This like that tablet are using in a doctors and sales officer. Now we will see our skill sheet. First is a fill in the blanks. First number question is fill in the blanks. Dash dash are also known as a notebooks. Which type of computer is called as a notebook? Which type of computer is known as notebook? Right, laptop. Laptops are also known as a notebooks. Next, what is the next question? Plam top are also known as, plam tops are also known as, good, personal digital assistant. Next, handheld computer are also known as dash dash or dash dash computer. Handheld computer are also known as NETOP or ultra portable computer, right? Next, fourth one is a tablet PC is equipped with a touch screen as a primary input data. Who known as who having the touch screen or primary input data? Where it having? In a tablet PC. Next one is a fifth one. Tablet personal computer are not equipped with a keyboard, but a dash dash is provided to be used to input data and interact directly with the screen. What we are using there? It having a special pen. A dash dash is a computer designed that fit on a desk or table. Which type of computer is fit on desk or table? Good, desktop computer. Next one is a many dash dash have a touch screen technology in them. Many dash dash, where many PDA. PDA means what? Personal digital assistants have a touch screen technology in them. Next one is a plam top uses a dash dash for input data instead of a keyboard. What we are using plam top instead of keyboard? Stylus. What is the spelling of? STYLUS. Stylus. Next, what is the next number question is rearrange the jumble word. This type of words is given and we have to make a correct word. Means we have to arrange the meaningful word. What is the first one? LPTPAO. What word will become? Good. Word is a laptop. LAPTOP, laptop. Second one is a PLMAOPT. What word will become? Good, plum top. Next is a BATTLECT. Then what word will become? Tablet PC. TABLET. Tablet PC. Next one is a HNAHDLED and PC means handheld PC. HANDHELD PC. Next one is a SPOTEKD. The word will become desktop. DESKTOP. We have to arrange the meaningful word. This word don't having any meaning. Next is a PERSONALCOMPUTER means personal computer. PERSONALCOMPUTER personal computer. Next one KEYBORAYD. Then what will come? KEYBOARD keyboard. Next question number 3. Define in short different type of personal computer. We have to define the different types of personal computer. Which type of personal computers are there? Anyone can say? Anyone can tell? Yes, first one is a desktop computer, laptops, handheld and tablet PCs. Desktop computer are where we are using mostly at home or offices, and desktop computer is a personal computer that is designed to be used as a desk or table. Next one is a laptop. Laptop is like as a notebook, and it is a small as compared to desktop computer. Next is a plantop. Plantop is also known as a personal digital assistant, and these computer are called a plantop as they fit into our palm. Next is a handheld. Handheld PC are extremely small in size compared to laptop, but bigger than a laptops. They are portable and also called as a NIPOT or ultra portable computer. Next one is a tablet PC. Tablet PC are equipped with a touch screen as their primary input data. Next our fourth one question, last question. Collect the picture of a different type of personal computer and stick them into their with their correct name. We have to collect the different type of different images of personal computers, and we have to stick them in their boxes. Now we will see here. If you get, then you can stick. If you not get, then there is no need. We will stick it afterwards. First one is a which type of computer it is? Desktop computer. Next one is a laptop computer. Laptop. First one is a desktop computer. Next is a laptop. Then laptop. Next tablet PCs, and last handheld PCs. Understand? If you got like that picture, if you get, then stick, otherwise let it be. We will stick it afterwards. Now what is the homework for you? We was studied our lesson number 1. You have to read this all the lesson line by line, word by word, and which word you can't read, underline this word and try to read this word again and again, and write this word 2 times. Okay, thank you.